Hi everyone, I'm Hazel Ayensa from BSHM2P. I was assigned to report about the famous dishes, soups, and desserts in Ilocos region. Ilocos region is also known to their famous dishes, soups, and desserts. Longanisa is one of the Ilocos region famous cuisines. Longanisa is an emblematic Ilocos food. This pork sausage are the star at any Ilocano table. The sausage from vegan are the most famous and they are distinctly small and plump. These sausage are made from ground pork mixed with garlic, vinegar, and a mix of other local seasonings. And the other Ilocano famous dishes is pinakbet or pakbet. Pinakbet with bagnet is an Ilocano food, alternatively called pakbet by the locals. This vegetable dish is perhaps the embodiment of Ilocano cuisine. The average bowl of pinakbet is created with almost any vegetable. If you know the lyrics to the folk song Bahay Kubo, you will have an idea of what these veggies are. The majority of those mentioned in the songs are ingredients to pinakbet. Pakbet or pinakbet is a popular vegetable dish that was originated from one of the northern province of the Philippines, in Ilocos. The vegetables used on this dish are usually bitter melon, eggplant, okra, and string beans are just some of the vegetables that make up this delightful dish. The Ilocano way of cooking pinakbet is by using fish bagoong sauce instead of bagoong alamang. And the Ilocano usually cook their pinakbet in a clay pot. It is believed that this method of cooking helps enhance the flavor of the vegetables. Dinengding is also an Ilocano soup dish. Dinengding or inabraw is often interchanged with pinakbet because of their similar method of cooking and appearance. Both are vegetable soup dishes and both use a variety of vegetables. The difference between the two, however, is that while pinakbet contains the more colorful bahay kubo veggies, dinengding only tends to use green or yellow ones like malunggay leaves and fruits, squash and squash blossoms, and alacon blossoms to name a few. Dinengding is a dish of the Ilocano people of the Philippines and it is similar to pinakbet. It is classified as a bagoong munamon soup-based dish and like pinakbet, dinengding contains fewer vegetables and contains squash and more bagoong munamon soup base. Pipian manok is an Ilocano version of chicken porridge that you can usually find in the city of Vigan. It's basically a sinigang version of lugaw. Pipian manok is different from our usual cooking of lugaw. The rice that needs in cooking pipian manok is need to grind first until it becomes finer in grains, and need to toast into a pan until brownish in color, and also needs atsuete that's add color to the soup. Another soup that is popular in Ilocos is the Ilocos-style Mickey noodle soup. This Filipino noodle soup is made with Mickey noodles, chicken stock, and annatto powder. The Ilocos-style Mickey noodle soup is usually served with boiled egg and is topped with ground bagnet, which they refer to as chicharon. This delicious noodle soup is a popular merienda in Ilocos. It's so easy to prepare, All you need to do is with a simple saute of the usual garlic and onions, add the hips of chicken and pork bones. Then you add the chicken stock and color it with annatto seed. And add some Mickey noodles, then top it with bagnet and egg, then you have the dish. It is popular in Abra's capital town of Banguet. You will see it everywhere, especially in food courts and establishments. They call it Mikihan. It is so popular in the province, they even have a festival for this, which runs from February 19 to 27 yearly. Papaitan is a famous Ilocano soup dish mostly composed of cow or goat innards. The name of this dish was derived from the Filipino word pait, which means bitter. The bitter taste of this soup comes from the bile. This is a bitter juice extracted by the liver and stored in the gallbladder to aid digestion. It consists of internal organs such as liver, small intestines, trip, and lungs. Papaitan dish is a Filipino dish that could serve as an appetizer or bear food or pulutan. This dish could not serve as a main dish and yet a popular dish which many Filipinos loves to eat while drinking alcoholic beverage. Ilocos region is also known for their sweet delicacies and to their most famous pasalubong. Royal Bibingka is an Ilocano variety of Philippine bibingka. Vegan's version are the size and shape of large cupcakes. The Filipino Royal Vegan Bibingka is a sticky rice cake which is thick, dense, and is mildly sweet with a melted cheese topping. It is famous in the city of Vigan, Ilocos Sur, the northern part of the Philippines. Each town in Ilocos has bragging rights to their own versions. The common ingredients are rice flour, coconut, sugar, milk, butter, eggs, and cheese. This is an easy rice cake to put together and bakes quickly for an enjoyable midday snack or breakfast and brunch fare. Vegan empanada is a Filipino street food from Vigan, Ilocos Sur, prepared with an orange rice flour dough filled with green papaya, vegan longganisa, and egg deep fried to make the outer layer crisp, with a slightly chewy inside. This empanada, though it's unique on its own right, it was highly inspired by the Spanish empanada. Unlike other empanadas around the world, each have its own variation of stuffing depending on the region. While most empanadas are baked, this one is fried. Tupig is a delicacy from Ilocos and Pangasinan made from ground glutinous rice and combined with buko strips, coconut milk, sugar or molasses, and sesame seeds. It is then wrapped in banana leaves and cooked over live charcoal grills. Unlike suman that we usually cook in a pot, tupig is cooked in a charcoal grill. This delicacy may not look appetizing, especially if you see the burned banana leaves wrapping, but I'm sure you are going to love it when you tasted it. Tinobong is a well-known Ilocos kakanin delicacy that is stuffed inside a bamboo tube with sticky, sweet rice that is mixed with sugar, coconut milk, small strips of buko, and flour. By far, tinobong is one of the best-tasting kakanins you will ever taste. Just keep in mind to eat it immediately after buying since it easily gets spoiled due to its coconut milk ingredients. It is best partnered with hot coffee. It is also called calamay of Ilocos Sur. It's a delicacy found all throughout the Ilocos region. The name is derived from the container tubong, which the internode of a bamboo. But other people add innovative ingredients like cheese, rum, ground peanuts, and many more. Way back the early days, locals cooked it using charcoal. But since this resulted into burnt bamboo that sometimes makes miss people shifted into using an oven.